Hello. My name's Carly. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to use Pixlr. It's a great photo editing site, and so if you go up here, there's this crop tool, and then I don't want this background, and so I'm just gonna first of all make the grid, okay, and then I'm gonna resize the grid to what I want. Because if you don't do that, then you're just gonna get a bunch of random white edges and it makes your photo look like trash. So that's about good, and then we'll click. It'll apply the change, and so yeah, now we have a pretty cute picture of the dog. And then if you go up here to adjustment and hue and saturation, it's also cool because if you want to bring out the highlights in the dog, see, he looks cool now, but as I start bringing it towards the more saturation, he starts to get really, really orange. And I think that's so cool because of his eye right here is really orange, and that's what I love about this picture. If you go back into adjustment, you can see exposure. And so you can see I can make it really bright, which is that's not cool. I can make it really dark. So we need to find a happy medium. So like that looks I like it a little darker, so we'll go with a 15. And that makes his eyes pop. So now you can go up into filter, and if you like, there's tons of different filters. So you can do like water swirl, and you can make your dog all disorientated looking. It's funny looking. So be like, that's weird. But then again, if you look over here at your history, if you don't like what you did, you can just hit exposure, and it'll go right back to what it did, to what it was beforehand. If you want to put like text anything, you can just go to fonts. Okay, that didn't work. Never mind. Don't do that. You can go. There's this A button over here, and it's called the type tool. So then they got text. So if you want to put his name, it'd just be like Toby, and then you could switch your font, and you could switch your style and your color. See? Like, bam. That's cool. And then your font can be really cool. So, like, let's just scroll down. And let's see, minion, whatever that is. And then make it look cool. So, like, yeah, that's about it. Then you hit OK. See this little thing right there? Then you can change your size to make it bigger. Like, that's a little too big. You need to pick perfectly. And then you just can move. You can move it. There. So, bam. And in 3 minutes, you can add font to your picture, fix the hue, and do some exposure. So, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.